In this video we are going to talk about the top 10 best places to visit in Greece. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Greece is one of Europe's top travel destinations, thanks to its abundance of ancient ruins, whitewashed villages, sandy beaches, delectable cuisine, and welcoming atmosphere. But it's because it's so beautiful here that tourism happens in the first place. Sometimes, the beauty can be found on the many scattered islands that dot the seas surrounding the Grecian peninsula like little gems. Each has its own unique landscapes, historic sites, nightlife scenes, and cultural attractions. There are plenty to choose from. From the western Ionian islands, such as Kefalonia and Corfu, to the Aegean Sea, which includes Mykonos, Santorini, Kos, and Rhodes, among others. To the south, there's Crete's pre-Hellenic Minoan civilization. Back on the mainland, there's godlike scenery all over the place. Meteora Monastery, Delphi ruins, and, most notably, Athens and its legendary Parthenon. Here are the 10 best places to visit in Greece. 10. Cape Sounion. Cape Sounion is best known for the ruins of the ancient Greek temple of Poseidon, the god of the sea, which are situated at the southernmost tip of the Attica Peninsula. The ruins are perched on a rocky outcropping with the sea on three sides. The site is a popular day trip destination for tourists from Athens, with sunset views of the Aegean Sea from the ruins a must-see. 9. Thessaloniki. Thessaloniki is the capital of the Macedonian region of northern Greece and Greece's second-largest city. This city is the cultural capital of Greece, with lively festivals, social activities, and a thriving nightlife. From its Byzantine walls, White Tower, and Turkish baths to vibrant food markets, museums, and art galleries, Thessaloniki, which is made up of a medieval city center and commercial area, offers both old and modern attractions. The nightlife in Thessaloniki is unrivaled. Thessaloniki has it all, from small tavernas to nightclubs and other entertainment venues. 8. Zigori. In northwestern Greece, Zigori is an area of great natural beauty, with striking geology and two national parks. Its thick forests and rugged mountains are cut by powerful rivers and dotted with traditional villages, many of which feature grand stone houses dating back to the late 1800s. Hiking the numerous paths connecting the villages is the best way to enjoy the area. The wonderful Vkos Gorge is the most open and rewarding goal. 7. Hulkadeki. Hulkadeki is a trident-shaped peninsula near Thessaloniki that boasts beautiful beaches. The three distinct peninsulas can be summed up as follows. Cassandra is renowned for its nightlife, Sithonia for its beaches, and Athos for its monks. Cassandra is more developed due to its proximity to Thessaloniki, while Sithonia is more tranquil, with campgrounds, secret coves, and clear waters. Both are well liked by Greek and Eastern European visitors. The Mount Athos monastic community owns a large portion of the easternmost peninsula. It can only be reached by boat and is only accessible to male pilgrims. 6. Peloponnese. Peloponnese was given the name Morea because of its shape, which resembled a broad leaf. Peloponnese is a wide peninsula linked to the mainland by the Rio Antirio Bridge, which is located in the southernmost area of both Europe and Greece. Peloponnese echoes the ancient cultures and events of its lengthy history, with classical Greek temples, Venetian fortresses, Byzantine churches, and Mycenaean palaces interspersed. Olympia, where the first Olympic Games were held in honor of Zeus, is among these ancient ruins. 5. Delphi. Delphi is Greece's most visited archaeological site, second only to the Acropolis in Athens. Delphi, located about 2.5 hours from Athens on the slopes of the awe-inspiring Mount Parnassus, was once known as the core of the earth by the ancient Greeks. Delphi was an influential oracle dedicated to the god Apollo. People used to come to this sacred spot to seek guidance from the priestess on a variety of subjects, from farming to relationships and politics. The Temple of Apollo, the Athenian treasury, the theater, and the hippodrome, which once hosted events of the ancient Pythian Games, are among the important ruins and structures at Delphi. 4. Meteora. The Greek word meteora means suspended in the air, and the spectacular cliffs that rise more than 1,200 feet, 366 meters, above the villages of Kalimbaka and Kastraki in Greece's north-central mainland are aptly defined by this term. The ancient monasteries perched along the summits add to the beauty of these cliffs. Monks seeking spiritual solitude and freedom from religious persecution founded the monasteries at Meteora in the 14th and 16th centuries. 3. Crete. Crete, the largest of the Greek islands, is a vast land of pleasing contrasts, with breathtaking coastlines, rugged mountains, and rolling countryside dotted with olive trees. Quiet communities based around outdoor coffee shops have sprouted outside the bustling metropolises. Crete is steeped in tradition, with archaeological traces of the many cultures that have occupied it over the centuries. 2. Athens. Athens, which has been inhabited for over 3,000 years, is generally regarded as the cradle of Western civilization and the birthplace of democracy. The city has a perplexing mix of historical and contemporary elements. The Acropolis, the Parthenon, the ancient Agora, and the Theatre of Dionysus, to name a few, are all renowned for their archaeological ruins and monuments. Athens, though, is more than mere ancient ruins. This bustling metropolis is also a major corporate, cultural, and nightlife hub. 1. Greek islands. Every year, thousands of tourists flock to the stunning and exotic Greek islands, making them one of the world's most famous travel destinations. They can be perplexed at first by the sheer number and diversity of the islands available. The Greek islands have it all, from stunning beaches to ancient ruins, vibrant harbors, and active volcanoes. Santorini, part of the Cyclades party, is one of Greece's most stunning islands and unquestionably one of the best places to visit. Mykonos, like the other Cyclades islands, has a new, cosmopolitan culture mixed in with traditional whitewashed houses and winding streets. Rhodes is the capital and largest island of the Dodecanese archipelago, situated in the Aegean Sea near Turkey's coast. It is renowned for its beautiful beaches and historical significance. Corfu, the northernmost of Greece's Ionian islands, was ruled by a number of foreign powers, most notably the Venetians and the British, as shown by the island's culture and architecture. So that's it for today's video. What do you think of our list? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell before you go. Thanks for watching.